Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss about a type of physics which is quantum physics. So let's start. Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that deal with the behavior of matter and energy at the smallest scale, such as atom and subatomic particle. It provides a mathematical framework for understanding the probabilistic nature of quantum system and their interaction. Number 1, wave-particle duality. One of the fundamental principles of quantum mechanics is the concept of wave-particle duality. It states that particles such as electron and photon exhibit both wave-like and particle-like properties. This means that they can behave as waves characterized by properties like interference and diffraction, as well as particles characterized by property like position and momentum. Number 2, superposition. Another key principle is the superposition principle. It states that a quantum system can exist in multiple states simultaneously rather than being confined to a single state. These states are represented by a wave function which describe the probabilities of different outcomes when a measurement is made. Number 3, quantum measurements. According to quantum mechanics, the act of measurement causes the wave function to collapse into one of the possible outcomes. The specific outcome is determined probabilistically with the probabilities given by the squared magnitude of the wave function amplitudes. This means that the measurement process is inherently random and impossible to predict the exact outcome of measurement with certainty. Number 4, uncertainty principle. The uncertainty principle formulated by Werner Heisenberg said that there is a fundamental limit to the precision with which certain pair of physical properties such as position and momentum can be known simultaneously. It implies that the more precisely one property is measured, the less precisely the other property can be known. This is consequence of wave-particle duality and is a fundamental aspect of quantum mechanics. Number 5, quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon where two or more particles become correlated in such a way that the state of one particle cannot be described independently of the others. Even if the entangling particles are separated by large distance, the state of one particle can instantaneously affect it. Separated by large distance, the state of one particle can instantaneously affect the state of other particle, a concept known as spoken action at the distance. This has been experimentally verified in the form of the basic quantum information and quantum computing. Quantum superposition and entanglement in application. Quantum mechanics has numerous applications in various fields. In quantum computing, quantum superposition and entanglement are harnessed to perform computation that would be infeasible with classical computer. Quantum cryptography utilizes the principle of quantum mechanics to enable secure communications. Additionally to the quantum mechanics has application in quantum optics, quantum chemistry, and quantum biology. It's important to note that quantum mechanics is a highly mathematical and abstract theory. It has been successfully tested and verified through numerous experiments, and its predictions have been found to be incredibly accurate. However, it is also challenged our institution as it describes a world that behaves differently from microscopic classical world we observe in everyday life. Hope you enjoyed it. Share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Take care.